Today I will show you how to get a tag on Discord. Let's start. To do this, open Discord. After doing this, we click on the server whose tag we want to adopt. Then click on Server Tag. Here we can get the server's tag by clicking Adopt Tag. We click Adopt Tag and do this. We've adopted the tag. To see how the tag looks, we click on our profile. As you can see, we've successfully adopted the tag. You can also get tags from servers that have this feature available, just as I've shown. If we want to change our tag, what we need to do is quite simple. To do this, click User Settings. After opening Settings, click Profiles on the left. After clicking Profiles, scroll down and go to the Server Tag section. After doing this, click on our tag and select the tag we want to change to. Here I have two options, but you may see more depending on the servers you've joined. After selecting the tag, we need to save the changes. To do this, click Save Changes at the bottom. To check if our tag has changed, we click on our profile as we did before. As you can see, we've successfully changed our tag. Just like this, you can adopt tags from servers you've joined and change your tag whenever you want. We've come to the end of our video. I hope the video was helpful for you. If there's any part you couldn't do, or if you have questions, you can share them in the comments section. If the video helped, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care and see you in the next video.